Hey everyone, hope everyone's surviving. We made it to the end of the week. I know everyone's stressed, but just trust you're great teachers, and I know you're going to do awesome things this year, even from home. I've had several questions about virtual manipulatives and what I recommend. There are tons of websites out there. If you simply just want to put a link in your Canvas page to one of them, that's one way to go. But another way to go is to actually embed it so it looks like a cutesy like little Bitmoji classroom. So here I made just a test class to show you how to do it. So you would go into Canvas and into your class, and then you're going to want to make a new page. So you would click Pages on the side, and then New plus at the top here. You could title it Virtual Manipulatives or whatever you want to call it. Then all you're going to do is in the text box down here, you want to switch over to raw HTML editor. So this little symbol here, like the greater than, less than signs. So you're going to click that. Then you're going to go back to the email that I sent. And this whole thing, you're going to copy it. And you're going to paste it back into this text box. Then you can switch the greater than and less than signs again. And it'll take you back to the original editing page. And you'll be able to see what it's going to look like. Then when you go to the bottom and click Save, it will come up like this. And now each of these is a different manipulative. So if you want your kids to use the number grid, they just come into here and they click on the number grid and it takes them to a virtual one. Each of these is different. So the base 10 blocks, they can move these around. You can give them any kind of direction to come to this virtual manipulatives page to get what they need. So I hope that helps. Again, you just go to create a new page, you title it, then down here you hit the greater or less than sign. You copy and paste the whole thing here in my email. Copy, go back over and paste it, and then switch that again, and it'll show up and you'll save the page. If you have any questions, just let me know.